Lisa? Lisa? Where are you? Where did you go? Lisa? Lisa?
I'm here. I've got nowhere to put all my crafts. I've got too many. Never too many.
Hey there, fellow DIYers.
And hello, fellow crafters.
Lisa and Mark here from the Yohos. We're at part 3 of our craft cabinet build. So that little intro was just to show you the magnitude of the craft supplies that Lisa has amassed.
Yeah, I have a bit, and to be honest, there's a little bit more in the basement, but let's just not talk about that. It's fine, it's fine. I have calculated it all, it's gonna fit. I have bins, I have more bins, I have all kinds of storage stuff. I can't wait to put it all away, because seriously, it's like an obstacle course in here.
It's a true story. So where are we at this week? We're putting in the bottom 2 side cabinets. We're building drawers to go in one of the side cabinets.
And I got some staining done.
Yeah.
Which actually, I kind of didn't really think about it, but I didn't think of what, I just was going to leave the inside right like wood and stain the doors, but now I realized it would kind of look silly, so we're kind of flying by the seat of our pants with this design. Kind of have it in my head what I want. I've told Mark and we've kind of discussed on what we wanted, but the actual design, it's kind of a bit of a surprise to us too. Not gonna lie.
That's how life is, though, right?
Absolutely.
We got the blueprints figured out. We know the design. How it actually translate into real life sometimes is a little bit different. That's okay.
And let's be honest here. So we both work. Mark works full time. I work part time. So this is just weekend projects. Is why we've kind of broken it up into different segments, kind of as we're doing it per weekend. So I really want to say thank you guys for taking time to watch our videos, or coming back, or stopping by, or whatever you're doing. We also want to say, you know what? I watch the videos and don't subscribe, which I had no idea. I just thought if I liked someone, I subscribed and called it a day. I'd love for you guys to join our little, I'm going to call it family, I guess.
Absolutely.
Right?
The Yoho family.
Oh, Yoho family.
Become a Yoho initiate and subscribe, like, do all the things.
Yeah, because you know what? We're having fun, and we hope that maybe we inspire you guys to do something fun around your house. Obviously, on different levels. Everybody's on different levels.
Or if you have questions, put them in the comments. Yep. About process, about the wood, paint, the stain, the clear coats, and ask us.
Yeah, and we are far from professionals. We've done a lot of DIYing, so it's just more of an experience thing than it is a we know for sure thing. And that's kind of how you learn as you go, and that's what we've done along the way, so we want to share that with you. And I guess with that being said,
enjoy part 3. We're going to measure out and mark down where all the pilot holes are going to go for the peg holders, because there's going to be 3 adjustable shelves in here. So what I need you to tell me is how much space do you want between each of these pegs?
I say 6 inches.
6 inches? Yeah. So we start 6 inches down right here, and then just keep going 6 inches, 6 inches.
I kind of measured some of my littler things that I couldn't put in like bins and stuff, and I think that's about right. And then doubled it for my bins that I do have. Anyways, don't worry. I worked it out, I think.
It doesn't always work out, but when it does, it's really satisfying. Morning, everybody. So we got our coffee. We're gonna start drilling some holes into the front of these drawer fronts to be able to pull the drawer out.
Ooh,
So this is just a dry fit of the drawers,
How cute!
just to see if they line up properly, and then Lisa's gonna take these outside to stain.
So I'm starting this stain process with some wood conditioner. This wood is extremely porous, like a lot of wood really, and it's unfinished. So I find that this conditioner acts kind of like a filler or a primer, if you will. It actually smooths out the surface. It lets the stain go on quite evenly because any of the larger porous areas will get filled in with the conditioner, and it'll just be a way smoother application both for the stain and for the top coat, but it just kind of fills it in, if that makes any sense. I'm hoping it does.
What's up?
Well, I'm just measuring out these pieces for the midsections, and
Oh, like the tall side bits?
yeah, the two tall side pieces or compartments. And once you get these cut, then I can put them all together and mount them on the wall.
Fun.
Yeah, it's coming along quite okay. Almost like someone planned this. Holy moly. That's pretty good.
Right? Ah.
Oh, that actually worked out really well. Yes,
Well, all your measurements were right.
the surprise in my voice.
Oh, wow.
Ah,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
so then the top of this is then going to be level with that.
Yeah.
So we're good to go. So we're going to This will be. I don't want to be famous for this shit. I'm famous for other so screw you.
Well, my hair looks like horse.